What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally dropped off our third place bike, which was the Street Glide Special, off to my dog Bobby down in El Paso, Texas, man. He enjoyed the bike. You guys know he had the CVO and stuff already, so that bike is going to his wife. You guys also know he's switching that thing up to a Road Glide, man. So we didn't get to give him the whole ooh and ah effect, but he got that CVO over there to keep control and keep the freaking show rolling, man. You guys know what time it is. I can't wait to see how that thing is going. Meanwhile, as we are all wrapped up for the big 22, man, you guys know what that means. It's that much closer to the More Life giveaway, man. So now that we got all them bikes shipped out and stuff and ready to go, man, we can focus on what we have at hand, man. So you guys know we got our 2018 Road Glide here. Gotta put the back wheel on there, put the turn signals on, the front clip and all that other stuff up here. No big deal on that. We should be able to knock that out pretty quick and easy today. Also, I want to get these Road Kings situated. So our third place bike, which is our 2018 Road King, I'm actually matching that thing with the green and everything, man. That's freaking dope. Meanwhile, we got to go switch these tires so we can be able to fit that wraparound on there. I actually forgot to order some chrome lowers for this bike. Now that I think about it, I actually put these chrome lowers on that bike. I was supposed to order them a long time ago, but I'm gonna order them today now that I'm thinking about it. Meanwhile, we'll get those tires switched out. I might even get them switched out on both Road Kings because, as you guys know, I have another Road Glide coming right here. The Road Glide that's coming, the wheels for that bike isn't ready yet. It sounds like it's gonna be a few weeks or so before those things are ready, and I just wanna be that much more prepared. So I might even save these wheels for the bike that we got coming in a couple days. Meanwhile, we'll just see what's up, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys missed out on the big 22, man, you guys know we bring in more life to the community, man. So with that being said, man, we got our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck back here paired together for first place with our 2020 matching CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that joint when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces. Yes, man, the one with the 124 knocking everybody off from state to state. Not only do we got first and second place, but we got a truck for first and second place, man. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King. That's about to get all the everything regular oohs and ahs today. I can't wait to finish that thing off. Meanwhile, man, for the first time ever, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide with all the everything regular oohs and ahs. I can't wait. Y'all know what time it is, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular hat or patch. Any hat, any patch on the site will gain you entry into the giveaway. Everything is $75 today only, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy, you guys know what to do. Get in while you can, because at any moment it can go back up to full price of $150, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your hat or patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, it's time to get this stuff situated. I don't know which one I want to start on first. I know I do got to move all this stuff pretty much out the way, man. So we'll get it going and see how this show is gonna rock, man. All right, so now that we got the garage cleaned up a little bit, I can tell you guys what I'm thinking, man. So like I said, I got our other Road Glide, the one that's super fast, coming. Actually, this is even better. I got this Road Glide coming in a couple days, this color scheme. So I actually had a set of wheels ready on order for that bike, but it just seems like the materials and stuff is a little bit behind. So with this Road King right here, we literally got the same exact wheels for our Road Glide. However, on the buttons, it's like blue and green instead of just all blue or all green. So my guess is I'm gonna hold these wheels just like this is, because if I change this tire, it's gonna look weak with the OEM tire. So my guess is if that bike shows up before those wheels get done, I'm gonna just switch these wheels and put these on there, and then we'll figure it out from there. Meanwhile, today we're actually gonna get this green Road King situated. I'm actually about to load this wheel up, take it to this new motorcycle shop I heard about, and we'll try them out, get this tire mounted up, and then we'll save this other skinny tire for when we figure out what we're gonna do with that. Because I just wanna have this Road Glide when it comes. I want it to be ready to go and have everything. So that'll just be a lot easier. I don't want to have the whole bike complete waiting on wheels, man. So you guys see what it is. This Road King is not in the giveaway right now, so that's why I'm just like, you know, it's getting the back burner right now. But all good, no worries, man. We'll get it together. Then when we come back from there, we'll be installing our rear wheel on that joint, and then our rear wheel on this joint, and then we'll figure out there. However, it's funny, I was on Antonio head about not sending the parts. You guys remember that was the hold up last time. that little piece. We actually had it in our garage the whole time, man. So I'm gonna get that stuff situated today. A whole bunch of little stuff we can do, but we'll get it together, man. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to Wild West Motorplex, man. This is gonna be probably a new shop we starting to mess with. You see it's similar to BBV. They got the Harleys, they got the off-road toys and everything, man. So we're gonna go check it out. I got Mama with me today. Mama, you out in Texas?
Yeah!
Yeah. Ready to go check out a motorcycle?
Yeah!
Okay, what color one you want?
I got green toy!
Alright, show me.
Green toy is
Yeah, I see what's going on. Oh, they got the other bikes over here, look. They got the other little ones.
Oh, you're right.
You like blue, you like orange, you want red. Which one you want? Okay, here go your toy. You hold it. This yours. You like orange? Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. You like orange? That's blue. You want the blue one?
Yeah, I want red.
Okay, 1 second. Let's go over here first. Come on. This way. You don't like this red one?
Yes, I want red toy.
You like red or blue?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you want?
Huh?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And just like that, oh, we got our old tire
I
off.
ride bike.
Huh?
I ride a scooter.
You riding your scooter? Cool. So now that we got that situated, we back in the garage. We can actually pull this green thing out right here because we got our new tire on this daddy-o, and we can actually put this on the bike and get it ready for the wraparound, man. So we're gonna see what's good. We're gonna pull this thing out in a second and get it together, man. Just like that, guys, we got our front wheel on that joint. Thing is looking real mean and clean. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing looks really good. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing looks really good. Now these forks is definitely, huh?
A butterfly.
A butterfly? You gonna kill a butterfly?
Yeah.
Well, like that, like whack. Oh. Get back here. All right. Anywho, our forks is killing us right now, but we got our chrome lowers on the way. I can't wait to get those all situated. Meanwhile, man, we do have our front fender. Where is it? Over here. We're gonna get that thing situated. But first, we're gonna get this crash bar on there and get everything situated, man. Let's see if we can get done. Just like that, guys, we got the front wheel on there with the wraparound and everything. This thing is looking good with these green buttons and that green wraparound. Boy, I ain't gonna hold you. If y'all haven't got in for a chance to win, now's the time, because once we throw them chrome lowers on there, that thing is gonna look that much better. Now this thing is that much more complete. The only thing we have to do now is put the new grips on there. We have some grips on there. Literally, I bought blue grips for that bike and put the black ones on there. I don't know what I was thinking, but got to take those grips off, put them on here, and put the new grips that we got as well on there. But these back wheels is a little bit more time consuming. Hey, put it in the thing, please. Clean up. Meanwhile, all we got left to do is to put our back wheel on this joint. Back wheels are a little bit more time consuming, but we will get it done. No big deal, man. What y'all think about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. I can't wait. It's time to go. Yay, man. It's time to go. Yay. This thing actually look really good. Definitely look really good, man. We slide now. I tell you that much. Alrighty, guys. Next morning. Say next morning. Next morning, we are out here back at it, man. You guys caught that live yesterday, so that just means it is that time to get these back wheels situated. So since we got this green thing already pulled out, I'm gonna actually start on this one. So I'm gonna put this one back on the jack, take the bags and stuff off, rear wheel off, and then we should be able to get that rear wheel situated. After that, we'll probably load this bike up, take it so we can get the rear fender wired up and stuff like that. So once this one is done, it'll be done and we don't have to worry about it. Meanwhile, after we get this one situated, we'll hop on that one, man. So stay tuned. Let's get it in. Just like that, guys, we got this thing looking pretty much complete, man. We got our rear wheel on that joint looking good. I ain't gonna hold you, that green on green looks killing. We even got our front wheel ready to go. Wrap around everything on there. So now all we literally need is our front lowers, our chrome lowers, and this bike will be pretty much complete. Looking good though, I'm digging it. We actually got to load it up and take it to the shop so they can wire these tail lights up for us. After that, it'll be A1. So I can't wait, man. You guys let me know what you guys think about it so far in the comments below, man. It's a movie. And just like that, guys, we got our rear wheel on that joint. Got the rear wheel back there to match. Now, not only do we got that, we got our stuff up here situated and ready to go. Literally got to get 2 bolts to lock that in on each side. Can't find them right now. But furthermore, man, we are about to get this outer fairing situated. We're about to take it off, get the turn signal situated so it can be that much more complete. Not only that, we might even have this top piece we can throw on and then the windshield, man. So we'll see what's good. We'll see what's good. And just like that, turn signals is on. Let's see, we got some power. Okay. Oh, we got one headlight out. We got one turn signal out, but we should be able to get it going. I actually got some more signals up there, so we'll get it together. And then we just dropped off all our orders, but we do have a gas can because I am freaking itching to hear how this thing is running, man. So I can't wait. I'm actually about to gas this thing up and we'll check it out together. Alrighty, guys, we got some gas in this joint. Got some power connected. Let's see. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. I have to go get a new battery. This thing wasn't charging up, doing us no justice, man. So we're gonna pop this new battery in here and hope for the best, man. Alrighty, guys, battery in. Moment of truth. Hopefully this brings a smile to my face, man. Let's shoot for the stars. Let's shoot for the stars, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot for the stars then, man. I'm about to go live on y'all right now. And I'm about to act like I just did this right in person, man. It is a movie. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. You guys seen we got our 2018, our 3rd place Road King all wrapped up, front wheel, back wheel, wrap around, and everything is ready to go on that. We literally just got to take it to the shop to get the tail lights and stuff wired up, only because you guys know we did a little bit extra stuff to that. We didn't just do what, you know, the OEM stuff requires us to do, man. So with that being said, man, we got our green thing finished up. Not only did we get that finished up, we got our 4th place, our 2018 Road Glide finished up, front wheel on, back wheel on, turn signals on there. Literally have like just to get some screws to like literally tie that thing all in, and that thing will be 100% complete. And we'll be checking that thing out on a first ride here pretty soon, so I can't wait. Stay tuned for that, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. You guys know what we have up for giveaway, man. If you guys don't, you guys know we got our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our 2020 matching CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got 2nd place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for 2nd place as well with our 2020 Road Glide with the built 124 on there, knocking everybody off from state to state, man. You guys know what time it is. Not only do we got a 1st and 2nd place, man, we got 3rd place, which is our 2018 Road King. 2019. And then for the first time ever, man, we got 4th place, which is our 2018 Road Glide, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of these joints, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a hat or a patch on the site. Any hat or patch on the site will gain you entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, it's almost that time to shine. Everything is $75 today only. If you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy, man, now's the time to do it. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a hat or a patch, and you never know. It may just be your time to be getting pulled up on, or you could be pulling out here to Houston, taking delivery of one of these trucks, or we could be pulling up to your house with one of these bikes on the back, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Meanwhile, man, I appreciate you guys tuning in. It's time to get in here, get these orders shipped out, get back to work. Happy Sunday to everybody. It was a short video, but more than anything, it was a video, man. Let's get it in. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.